Hey guys, welcome back to Language Lounge.
Hi everyone, how's your summer going so far?
Today we're gonna talk about something super fun. What are activities you can enjoy during the summer?
Yeah, when it's hot outside, nothing feels better than cooling off in the water.
Water activities تفریحات آبی cooling off خنک شدن beat the heat گرما رو تحمل کردن خنک شدن So what's your favorite water activity in the summer?
I'd say swimming is my number one. I love going to the pool or the beach.
Yeah, same here. Swimming is the best way to beat the heat. پول استخر بیچ ساحل فلوت روی آب موندن لایف جکت جلیقه نجات
Besides swimming, I also love snorkeling. Have you ever tried it?
Yeah, snorkeling is amazing. Seeing colorful fish and coral reef is so cool. Snorkeling غواصی سطحی با لوله تنفسی coral reefs صخره‌های مرجانی Another fun thing is jet ski. It's so exciting, but a bit scary too.
Oh yes, jet skiing is full of adrenaline, but you have to be careful.
Jet skiing جت اسکی سواری آدرنالین هیجان
Have you ever gone water sliding in the water park?
Definitely, water slides are so much fun. Some of them are really tall and fast.
And last summer, I went to a big water park and spent the whole day on slides and in the wave pool.
Water slide سرسره آبی wave pool استخر موج the whole day کل روز definitely قطعاً Oh, rafting is another cool adventure.
Ride rafting a river is thrilling. You get wet and laugh a lot with friends.
Rafting قایق سواری در رودخانه thrilling هیجان انگیز adventure ماجراجویی
And don't forget paddleboarding. It looks relaxing, but it's actually a good workout.
True, balancing on a board while paddling is harder than it seems. Paddleboarding paddleboard سواری ایستاده پارو زدن balancing حفظ تعادل Alright guys, which water activities would you like to try this summer?
Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more English podcasts.
See you next time at Language Lounge. Stay cool and have fun in the water.